Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing something on a 14 by 14 canvas. Got it on the Lazy Susan. It's going to be flowers. I'm not decided whether or not I'm going to spin it or not. I'm not sure, so that's why I put it on the Lazy Susan. So the white ready to go house paint is on my base. I've got a number of different colors mixed up in my tubs here. They're all Floetrol. 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, no silicone in them. 1 or 2 of the metallics has a little bit of water just to thin them out. And I saw a video of a flower being done with spoons. And that was done by Design Gemma 77 designer. Gemma 77 is her channel. If you haven't seen her, which I'm sure you have because she has like 380,000 subscribers, something like that. So I wanted to give her flowers a try. So let's do this. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I'm at I think about 415, so I'm a long ways away from where designer Gemma 77 is. But if you hit subscribe, I'll get that much closer. So I appreciate it if you do. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and leave me a comment. I read all of them and love it very much when I get home from work and I can read a comment. It really does make my day. Now for those of you that have been watching previous videos, my mom is still in hospital, still not doing well. So I'm probably not going to talk in this video and just do my thing. I'll get Greg to put some music on and we'll see how my flowers turn out because I just need to, I haven't painted in probably 8 or 9 days because of this. So I need to just pick myself up a little bit and do a painting. So thanks again for joining me, everybody. Fingers crossed that this turns out to be one of my best masterpieces ever. All right, I'm going to stop talking. Go ahead, Greg, hit some music. Thanks, hon.